In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split a cell in Google Sheets in seconds. We often find ourselves dealing with spreadsheets filled with data packed into single cells, making it quite tricky to work with. Luckily, Google Sheets offers a straightforward way to split the contents of a cell into multiple columns based on a delimiter of your choice. In this tutorial, we'll explore 4 different methods to achieve this, ensuring that by the end of the video, you'll be handling your spreadsheet data with a newfound ease. First, let's navigate to your Google Sheet. Open up the specific spreadsheet you'd like to work with. Once you're there, identify the cell you want to split. Highlight this cell by clicking on it. This highlights the contents and prepares it for any changes we're about to make. Now, look up to the top menu and click on Data. From the drop-down menu, you'll see an option labeled Split Text to Columns. Click on it. You'll notice a small pop-up appears right beneath your selected cell. By default, it will show Detect Automatically, which is perfectly suited for common delimiters like spaces or commas. The first method we'll use is to split the text by space. Still in the pop-up, click on the small downward arrow next to Detect Automatically, and then select Space from the list. The content in the highlighted cell will now split into separate columns based on spaces within the text. Pretty neat, right? Next, let's explore another method. Highlight another cell you wish to split. Follow the same sequence, clicking on Data and then Split Text to Columns. Again, make sure Detect Automatically is selected. This time, click on Comma. As soon as you do, the text in your cell will be split into columns wherever there's a comma. For lists or items separated by commas, this step is incredibly helpful. We'll now move on to the third method. Highlight yet another cell. Repeat the familiar process by going to Data and Split Text to Columns. Ensure Detect Automatically is still your choice. From the option list, click semicolon. This method is especially useful when working with data exported from certain software which often uses semicolons as separators. Finally, let's try the last method. Highlight your final cell, ready for splitting. Click on Data once more, select Split Text to Columns, and make sure you're set to Detect Automatically. Now, click on Period. This option is perfect for data formatted with periods like dates or decimal numbers turned into lists. And there you have it. Splitting cells in Google Sheets is that simple. Whether you're dealing with data separated by spaces, commas, semicolons, or periods, you'll now handle them swiftly and efficiently. This capability greatly enhances your data manipulation tasks, making your analysis work a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you master the basics of cell splitting in Google Sheets.